Alright, statistics for moves 6 to 9 based on over 10 million games. The evaluation is D. Store.
D. 5.
C. Store.
C. 6.
Knight. F. 3.
Knight. F6.
Knight. C. 3.
D. Captures on C4.
A. Store.
Bishop. F5.
Knight. A5.
Knight. B. D7.
Knight. Captures on C. Store.
Knight. B6.
Knight. A5.
A5.
F3.
Knight. FD7.
Knight. Captures on D7.
Knight. Captures on D7.
A. Store.
Bishop. G6.
Bishop. A2.
E6.
Castle's kingside.
Bishop. B4.
Bishop. A3.
Castle's kingside.
Queen. B3.
Queen. B6.
Bishop. F2.
Rook. A. D8.
Rook. A.C1.
Bishop. C5.
Queen. C. Store.
Bishop. E7.
Rook. F.D1.
Queen. B4.
Queen. Captures on B. Store.
Bishop. Captures on B4.
Bishop. C. Store.
Rook. F.E8.
Knight. A2.
King. F8.
Knight. F. Store.
Bishop. D6.
Knight. Captures on G6. Check.
H. Captures on G6.
Bishop. F1.
Rook C8.
Bishop A1.
Bishop C7.
B sword.
A captures on B4.
Bishop captures on B sword. Check.
King G8.
A5.
Bishop B8.
G3.
Bishop A7.
King G2.
C5.
D captures on C5.
Knight captures on C5.
Bishop B5.
Rook E7.
Bishop D2.
B6.
A6.
Bishop B8.
Bishop A3.
Rook A7.
F sword.
King F8.
A5.
King E7.
What? C2.
Rook D8.
What? Captures on D8.
King captures on D8.
Bishop captures on C5.
B captures on C5.
What? Captures on C5.
Rook C7.
What? Captures on C7.
King captures on C7.
Bishop A8.
G5.
Bishop captures on F7.
King B6.
Bishop captures on A6.
G captures on F4.
G captures on F sword.
King captures on A6.
H sword.
King B6.
King F3.
King C7.
King A sword.
Bishop A7.
H5.
King D8.
Bishop G. Sword.
King E7.
H6.
G captures on H6.
F5.
Bishop C5.
F6. Check.
King E8.
A6.
Bishop A3.
Bishop H5. Check.
King D8.
King F5.
Bishop F8.
King G6.
King E8.
King H7. Check. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.